I'm Caitlin, a nurse practitioner here at your wellness center. Here in the med spa, we use dermal filler to restore volume that has been lost as we age. Dermal filler is made from hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a substance naturally found in the skin that helps maintain volume. We can inject dermal filler into many different areas of the face. The most commonly injected areas are the cheeks and the lips. Common side effects from dermal filler include potential bruising and swelling that will subside within about 48 hours. Many patients are concerned that having filler injected is going to give them an unnatural or frozen look on their face. 1 syringe of filler is only 1/5 of a teaspoon. Having a few syringes of dermal filler injected is not going to give you that unnatural look on your face. The nice part about filler is we can subtly inject this over a period of a few months, so no one will ever know that you had anything done. Filler will last about 9 months up to 2 years, depending on which product we use. If you have any questions if dermal filler is right for you, please call the office at 513-791-9474.